Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm KaitlinRain. Welcome. This intro short, so if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So first, I primed my eyes with my concealer, and I'm gonna go in with Wild's Rose in the Air palette, and I'm gonna take this transition shade right here over crease. Now we're gonna go a shade darker, and I'm gonna go in with Glen Hill's Favorite palette by Morphe, and I'm gonna go in a darker shade. I'm gonna bring that slightly below our first shade. Bring it like that. I'm gonna go back into the Rose in the Air palette. Now I'm gonna take a pencil brush for the Tarte's palette, and I'm gonna take Edgy. I'm taking my concealer, and I'm gonna put it on a flat brush. Going into the Golden State of Mind by ColourPop palette, I'm gonna take this shimmer shade. I'm just gonna pop on some lashes, and then I'll be back. Go in with my CoverGirl concealer, and I'm just gonna go forehead and take a little big sponge I found at Walmart. Foundation, I'm going to use my Milani 2-in-1, and I'm just going to take it on a real thickness brush and just I'm going to take my NYX contouring palette. Spray my face with my Master Fix Master Chrome. Take my Maybelline matte lipstick in Nude Embrace. Gloss, I'm going to go in with my Buxom Gloss and Sugar.